Hello! Today I'll show you how to make fake hair for costumes or just for fun out of ribbons. So here are the materials and let's get started. So basically what we will do is pull apart ribbons. Not all ribbons will look like hair, but the majority should work. First, cut the ribbon a bit longer than you want your hair to be and fray one end to find the one magical thread that keeps it all together. If you can't find it, you're probably just on the wrong side of the ribbon. Satisfying, right? But before you go too crazy, seal the opposite end with glue or with fire. Now you can fray away. Leave a little bit of ribbon at the top. Cut the excess thread and this thread too. Now you have nice hair and some fluffy thread.
It's so fluffy!
If that method doesn't work, you can just cut away the rims of the ribbon, leaving a little bit at the top again. Then you can pull the ribbon apart this way. Now to make hair clips, take a bobby pin and simply glue the hair to one side like this. You can wear it like that, or put an embellishment on top to hide the ribbon base. And the third option looks like this. Take some super glue and glue the separated hair to the inside of the bobby pin. When it's dry, cut away the excess, and if you give the top part your hair color, it kinda blends into your hair. Which leads to the next point, dyeing the hair. Before you pull the ribbon apart, you can use watercolors. You can mix and blend the colors very well, but it's not waterproof and the colors can be less vibrant sometimes. For even more intense colors, you can use any kinds of markers and simply draw on the hair. I just wiped off any excess ink. And if you use a highlighter, it gives you the bonus of hair that glow in UV light. You can recreate natural hair colors as well if you want. Also, you can glue or sew the hair into a hat. Or the hair can be tied onto ponytails or pigtails with some more ribbon. I hope this gave you some ideas and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!